In the sleepy seaside town of Porton Down, a small village nestled in the English countryside, a seemingly innocuous postcard arrived at the local post office in 1943. It was a typical summer's day, with children playing in the streets and the sound of seagulls filling the air, but amidst the tranquility, a chain of events was set in motion that would alter the course of history. The postcard, a simple, hand-drawn image of a seaside scene, was sent by a young girl named Emily Wilson, who lived in the village with her family. It was a routine gesture, a way for Emily to keep in touch with her pen pal, a girl from a neighboring village. But unbeknownst to Emily, her postcard was about to become the catalyst for the destruction of a secret U-boat base, a vital German installation located deep within the English Channel. As the postcard made its way through the postal system, it crossed paths with a British intelligence officer, Captain Jameson, who was tasked with intercepting and decoding German communications. With the help of his team, Jameson deciphered the postcard's seemingly innocuous message, revealing a crucial piece of information that would change the course of the war. The postcard, it turned out, was not just an innocent gesture, but a cleverly crafted message from a German spy, embedded in the village, who had managed to send a cryptic warning to their superiors about an impending British raid on the U-boat base. The message, although encoded, was precise, detailing the exact coordinates of the base, as well as the estimated time of the British attack. With this information in hand, the German High Command sprang into action, mobilizing their forces to defend the base, but it was too late. The British, anticipating the German reaction, had already put in place a clever plan to exploit the intelligence gathered from Emily's postcard. A team of commandos, led by Captain Jameson, set out to raid the U-boat base, using the information from the postcard to pinpoint the exact location and timing of the attack. As the commandos made their way to the base, they were met with fierce resistance from the German defenders, but they pressed on, determined to complete their mission. The attack was a success, with the British commandos destroying the U-boat base and crippling the Germans' ability to launch further attacks on British shipping. The destruction of the U-boat base was a significant blow to the German war effort, and it marked a turning point in the war. The British had gained a crucial advantage, and the Germans were forced to re-evaluate their strategy. The postcard, once a simple gesture from a young girl, had become a game-changer, altering the course of history in ways that would be felt for years to come. In the aftermath of the raid, Captain Jameson was hailed as a hero, and his team was praised for their bravery and ingenuity. Emily Wilson, the young girl who had unwittingly sent the postcard, was also recognized for her role in the war effort, and her family was awarded a medal for their contribution to the war. The story of Emily's postcard is a testament to the power of intelligence and the importance of timing in warfare. It shows how a single, seemingly innocuous action can have far-reaching consequences, and how the right information, at the right time, can be the difference between victory and defeat. As we reflect on this story, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our history, and of the sacrifices made by those who fought to protect our freedom. The story of Emily's postcard is a reminder that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact, and that the true heroes of history are often the ones who make the greatest sacrifices in the name of their country. So as we close this chapter in our story, we invite you to join us on our journey through the annals of military history, where time, timing, and the decisions made in the heat of the moment can be the difference between victory and defeat. Subscribe to our channel, Chronos Combat, and join the conversation about the most pivotal moments in military history. Together, let's explore the intricate web of time and timing that has shaped the course of human conflict.